people, today we will look about 4 ways to recover deleted files from recycle bin. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossipfunda. So let's not waste our time for it, let's go.
Now let's get started. First of all, we all really need to understand a little bit about what happens to files when they get deleted. So, when you delete a file, it gets moved to the recycle bin, at which point it will be further dealt with by the computer later on down the road. And so naturally, the first place that we should check should be the recycle bin. So, let's do that. So go ahead and open the recycle bin by double clicking on its icon on the desktop. Then locate and select whichever file or folder that you need to restore. And if you find it, go ahead and right click or double click on the selection and choose restore. And what you will find is that the recycle bin will then restore the deleted files to their original location. That's the easy step. Check the recycle bin. That's always step 1. So start with Windows backup. Store your backup on an external hard drive or an external SSD. And then go ahead and follow these steps. Starting with opening backup and restore by selecting your smart menu navigating to your control panel. After this, under the system and security, select backup and restore. Next, select my files and then simply follow the steps in the wizard. Utilizing file history. So, this feature is built more into recent versions of Windows. But essentially, what it is to allow you to specify which directories you want Windows to backup. It's sort of like Time Machine, except for Windows. So provided that you activated file history on your drive before the files were deleted, and getting them back really should be a piece of cake. So go ahead and open the folder that used to contain the deleted file and click the history button. The file history will display all the files contained in the most recent backup of that folder. Then go ahead and click the previous button to locate and select the file that you want to retrieve and click the restore button to get it back. Step 4. Data recovery system. For this, I will recommend the software Disk Drill for Windows. It's extremely powerful. It's an entire software suite that not only has a data recovery tools but also data backup and drive protection tools. So once you have downloaded and installed this drill, go ahead and launch it. So with advent of Disco 4, you will be completely streamlined the entire UI just for your convenience and easy of use. So in the center, here we have what we call the disk, which is where all the physical drives are there. You can see I have my C drive, which is my SSD, along with a few others. And then on the left here, we have the different panels being data recovery along with the data protection and drive backup panels. And finally, on the right is where we can actually choose the type of scan that we want to do, as well as initiate the scan itself. On the list, go ahead and select the drive that contains your recycle bin. So for most, this is going to be your C drive. Make sure all recovery methods is selected. Then click search for lost data and this will begin disk drive advanced to recover. That's it, guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossipfunda.